We've got all the body work is now done on the Roadrunner. Everything's been primered. We've got all the doors are done, the hood done, trunks and quarter panels done, the roof is all done. Gonna have one final sand before paint. We've got the 2.5 ton wrecker up to the shop. It's we had the body sandblasted, get all the rust off, and now we just got to do a bunch of body work on it. We just got to get back on it. We still got to clean up the compartments and get a bunch of little stuff done on it. The wiring's all in place for it. The wheel lift is going to have to be changed over a little bit. The wheel lift is a little bit high. We're going to have to drop the wheel lift down about 6 inches so we can still get underneath cars, because with the truck jacked up the way it is, the wheel lift will be too tall. Won't get the right angle to pick up cars. So anyway, we're moved a little forward on this. Got it sandblasted, like I said. Now we just got to get the rest of the work done to it.